Let me show you how the ultimate Tesla should look like. Have you ever struggled with this problem? After you're shopping with tons of shopping bag with your hand, you got no hand to open your frunk. But with this power frunk, just a touch with your app, it will just openly for you. Just put your stuff inside and touch again with your app, it will just close it for you. And now, you can free your hand. Hi mummies out there, have you ever struggled with this problem? You have to carry your kids and you have a shopping bag with your hand, then how do you open your frunk to put your stuff in? Now, with power frunk, you can just knock 2 times. It will open automatically and you can put your stuff in. And once you're done, just knock it again and it will automatically close. That's how you free your hand. Baby, baby, hello, baby. To treat your car just like a girlfriend, power frunk is controlled with an intelligent soft closing lock. Close the code 5 AM from the car head gently. Don't worry, you'll be safe if your hand hasn't taken out where the frunk is closing. Power frunk features an anti-pinch mechanism. With a high sensitive sensor, you will never get pinched. LED frunk light strip, custom-made designed specifically for Tesla Model Y, Model 3 and Model 3 Highland. This LED strip seamlessly fits your frunk. Once installed, it automatically lights up when you open the frunk and turn off when you close it. There's no button, no hassle, just pure convenience. Plus, you can choose between 2 white and 1 white lightning to match your Tesla aesthetics. Whether you're grabbing a bag or accessing your front at night, you will always have clear visibility. With easy, no-damage installations, this is an upgrade not only makes frunk more practical, but also adds a sleek and a high-tech touch. Tired of the same all-round view? Let's bring your driving experience to the next level. With Yoke steering wheel, designed for a futuristic touch, this premium upgrade brings both style and performance to your Tesla. With its ergonomic shapes, the Yoke steering wheel provides a perfect grip, ensuring precise handling and a more dynamic driving experience. Plus, its open design to enhance visibility, reducing blind spot and making every drive safer and more enjoyable. It's crafted from the top grade, scratch-resistant Napa leather. This steering wheel not only looks premium, but also offers a smooth, stitch-free grip for the maximum comfort. Whether you are cruising through the city or hitting the highway, every turn feels more control and exhilarating. Tired of fingerprints smudging your Tesla screen? Are you struggling to see clearly of the screen because of an annoying glare? Introduce you the Matte Screen Protector. It's designed to keep your touchscreen spotless and crystal clear. This edge-to-edge protector seamlessly fits your Tesla center screen, maintaining a flawless, factory-like look without affecting the touchscreen sensitivity. Its anti-glare matte finish minimizes reflections, ensuring perfect visibility even under direct sunlight. Plus, it resists fingerprints and smudge, so your screen stays clean and slick at all times. What's another upgrade to make your Tesla even more stand out? That's our Puddle Lights. With the smart welcome features, it projects iconic Tesla logo onto the ground when you open the door, giving you a grand entrance every time. Powered by energy-efficient LED technology, these lights offer long-lasting performance while ensuring clear, bright projection for maximum visibility. Tired of your girlfriend slamming your door? I have a solution to help you avoid a fight, which is our soft close door. Soft close system ensures a smooth, quiet, and effortless door closing experience. Just gently push the door, and it will perform automatic suction and lock into place. There's no more hard slamming, giving you a luxurious and silent feel. It's powered by Japanese Maibei motor. It operates at less than 30 decibels, making every close whisper quiet. Plus, it's EMC test and use Tesla original lock design, ensuring no interference with nearby device. Let me show you one of my favorite features. Just approach your car, and it will automatically pop up and ready for your action. Plus, you can customize your style with 9 RGB light settings to make every entrance unique. Carved from high-quality ABS material, it's wind and rain resistant, featuring a sleek matte finish with rounded corners for a comfortable grip. Enjoy multiple unlocking methods, including touch direction, card unlock, on approach, car key, center screens, and also P-gear button. No more fumbling with handles, just a seamless, futuristic experience. What's the first thing after you receive your new car? You're gonna install tinted, PPF, or coating. But what about your panoramic sunroof? Are you gonna install tinted? What if I tell you Gold can be installed on your panoramic sunroof? Let me introduce you our Quad EV Sunroof PPF. Do you know the technology of tinted is actually to absorb heat on tinted itself, but our Quad EV Sunroof PPF has the technology to reflect the heat How? Because our quad EV Sunroof PPF is actually gold-coated layer film and it has 24 precious metal inside the film. This is how it works for superior heat reflections. With 72% reality, it keeps your car interior always bright and you can enjoy your view during your trip. Also, it keeps your temperature always in cool condition. I've told you all the secret about Ultimate Tesla. Are you ready to make it yours? Call me now.